Hi, I'm Jason with Roofing USA. I'm here to talk to you today about choosing the right roofing contractor to work with your insurance company. It's really important if you're going to be getting a roof through your insurance company to pick the best possible roofing contractor. It's pretty easy to find a contractor that understands how to put shingles on a roof, but working with a contractor that understands navigating the insurance process is pretty critical. A big part of that understanding is kind of understanding the difference between RCV and ACV. When the adjuster comes out to take a look at the roof, he's going to assign a couple of values to your roofing claim. He's going to come up with an RCV, that's the replacement cost value. That's what a brand new, fully up-to-date and fully coated roof is worth to that adjuster, and that's what they're willing to pay. It's going to put a pretty good roofing system on your home. It's going to tie a value to it called the depreciation. That depreciation is based on the age of your roof. And ultimately, they're going to back that depreciation out of the RCV value to come up with what they call the ACV. That's the actual cash value. That's kind of what they view your roof to be worth in its current state. So, you wouldn't be having a roofing contractor out there to look at it if you felt like it was in that great a shape. So it's going to be significantly less than the RCV. They're going to actually send you a payment out. It's called the net claim. A lot of times we'll call that the ACV payment. And what that's going to do is that's going to be enough to get that roof started, and may even be enough where you can find someone to put a roof on for that amount. But if you want to kind of maximize that claim and get the best possible roofing system for your home, it's important to work with a contractor that understands how to recover that depreciation value to ultimately get you the full amount for the replacement cost value so you can have the best possible system installed. Here at Roofing USA, we're experts in this business and working with insurance companies. We have HAG certified inspectors that will meet with your insurance adjuster to ensure that the greatest possible value is assigned to your claim. And then obviously we know how to put the shingles up there and to install the system that you need when the time is right. We'd love to have the opportunity to work with you and to help you to navigate the insurance process.